Ever wondered what it's like to step into a world where your digital dreams mesh with reality? Enter the Apple Vision Pro, a game changer that's got everyone buzzing. Remember the days of clunky VR headsets? Well, Apple's thrown that out the window with a sleek design that's all about blending your online life with the real world, without compromising on style or connection. With tech that makes you feel like you've stepped into the future, the Apple Vision Pro is not just about seeing, it's about experiencing. So, are you ready to see what the fuss is about and take your virtual adventures to the next level? Background. So, how did Apple, the giant we all know for making our phones and laptops, dive into something as futuristic as the Apple Vision Pro? It's a story of not just dreaming big, but making those dreams a tangible reality. Think back to when the first iPhone hit the markets. It wasn't just a phone, it was a leap into the future. Fast forward to today, and it's the Apple Vision Pro making waves, but getting here wasn't overnight magic. Apple's been on this innovation train since 2015, scooping up companies like Mateo, because let's face it, they're not just about making good stuff, they're about creating the stuff of dreams. Before the big reveal, the hype was unreal. Everyone had their guesses. Would it be just another VR headset, or was Apple about to redefine the game? Rumors flew left and right. From tech forums to coffee shop chatter, everyone had a theory. But Apple, being Apple, kept the cards close, building suspense like the season finale of your favorite show. When they finally pulled back the curtain, it was clear the Apple Vision Pro wasn't just another piece of tech. It was a gateway to blending our digital lives with the real world in ways we'd only imagined. So how did you feel when you first heard the buzz about Apple stepping into VR and AR? Ready to jump into what's next? Key features and specifications. Alright, let's dive into what makes the Apple Vision Pro not just cool, but revolutionary. Imagine slipping on a headset that doesn't just take you places, but brings places to you, all crisp and clear. Thanks to its cutting-edge display tech, it's like stepping into another world, but as vivid and vibrant as the real one. The secret sauce? Those micro OLED displays that pack a punch, making everything from your favorite game to a virtual meeting look insanely good. Now the interface, it's like Apple took everything we love about tapping and swiping on our phones and turned it into something you can almost touch in the air. It's intuitive, slick, and let's be honest, kind of makes you feel like a wizard controlling your digital world with just a flick or a gesture. But it's not just about what you see or how you swipe. The design of this thing, it's pure Apple, sleek, stylish, and somehow making even a VR headset look like the next must-have accessory. And because it's Apple, they didn't stop at just making it look good. They packed it with an M2 chip that keeps everything running smooth like butter, no matter if you're in the middle of an intense game or hopping between apps. What sets it apart, though, is how it connects the dots between you and your digital life without losing the human touch. Eyesight technology, for example, lets people see your eyes, making it feel less like you're talking to a robot and more like you're there with them. And with software that's built on the stuff we already love from iOS, but expanded for this whole new world, it's like getting a sneak peek at the future today. So what's your take? Does the Apple Vision Pro sound like it's living up to the hype? Applications and use cases. Imagine slipping on the Apple Vision Pro and stepping into your work morning briefing. But instead of staring at a flat screen, you're in a virtual space where data and designs float in the air around you. That's just the start. Professionals in design, architecture, and even medicine are using this tech to bring their work to life in 3 dimensions, making it easier to visualize, share, and tweak their projects in real time, as if they were tangible objects you could reach out and touch. But it's not all work and no play. For the gamers and movie buffs, the Apple Vision Pro is like having a personal IMAX theater or being dropped into the middle of your favorite video game world. Imagine gaming sessions where you're not just controlling the character, you are the character, exploring, battling, and interacting in ways that flat screens could never offer. And for the curious minds, education has never been this immersive. Picture learning about the solar system by literally walking among the planets or diving into the human body to see how it all works from the inside. It's turning learning into an adventure, making complex concepts easier to grasp and infinitely more fascinating. The Apple Vision Pro is blurring the lines between digital and physical like never before, changing not just what we see, but how we see it. From the way we work and learn to how we play and explore, it's opening up a world of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. So, ready to see how it changes your world? Market impact and future potential. With the Apple Vision Pro hitting the scene, it's like we've just seen the first domino tip in what's set to be a cascade of changes across the tech landscape. This isn't just about a new gadget, it's about setting a new standard, pushing competitors to up their game and rethink what's possible in the realms of VR and AR. Apple's not just in the race, they're carving out a whole new track, blending style with substance in a way that's got everyone from tech enthusiasts to everyday users sitting up and taking notice. Think about it: before the Vision Pro, VR and AR felt like they were still in the wings, waiting for their moment to step into the spotlight. Now, Apple's not just given them the stage, they've spotlighted how these technologies can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, from work to play and beyond. It's a wake-up call to the industry: innovate or be left behind. But what's next on the horizon, inspired by the Vision Pro? We're likely to see technologies that further blur the lines between the digital and the physical, making our interactions with virtual environments more intuitive, more immersive, and more personal. Think about advancements in haptic feedback, where you can feel digital objects, or AI that can anticipate your needs in a virtual space before you even articulate them. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a product launch, it's a glimpse into the future of how we interact with technology. It's setting the stage for a world where technology is not just a tool but an extension of our senses, reshaping industries, entertainment, and even how we connect with each other. So what do you think the future holds, inspired by the vision that Apple has set forth? And there you have it, the journey through the Apple Vision Pro's world, a blend of innovation, imagination, and impact that's setting new benchmarks. But what's your take on this tech marvel? Can you see its ripple effects changing your world or sparking new innovations? Dive into the conversation below, share your thoughts, and let's dream up the future together. If you found this exploration as exciting as we did, give us a thumbs up, share this with your tech-savvy friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Oh, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on what's coming next. Let's keep pushing the boundaries, one click at a time.